It primarily focuses on tropical horticulture and garden artistry, emphasizing the design and creation of the garden with strong aesthetic appeal and artistic expression. Visitors can explore various areas showcasing a variety of beautiful floral collections, including California, Canna, and water lilies. The building gallery captures this essence in films, inviting visitors to find inspiration and relaxation while demonstrating how nature can be nurtured at home. Featuring a diverse range of terrariums, halogariums, and aquariums, the gallery simulates natural environments for the flora and fauna. Surrounded by water, large greenery, and small fauna, it offers a serene escape from the hectic pace of daily life. The gallery has three main zones: terrestrial, aquatic, and living room. Visitors will first be greeted by a sensor-themed display that showcases beautiful variegated monstera and vibrant water gates. Beautiful flowering plant species like orchids, koya, and